This video demonstrates how to install Magna Lens magnetic adapters onto your Sordin Supreme earmuffs. Note that this is only for the headband style earmuffs and not for the neckband style earmuffs. The Magna Lens magnetic earmuff adapters have a magnet oriented on the inside of the headband wire, closer to the earmuff pad. For example, this is not the way to do it. They will be installed on both sides like this. Each magnetic adapter has two slots in back that each grab onto the headband wire. You will start by placing it a little higher on the wire and snap the bottom slot onto the wire first. Then slide the adapter down to straddle the circular pivot point of the earmuff cup. Finally, it is important to press hard until the upper slot snaps onto the earmuff wire until you feel it snap in. You will repeat the process on the other side. Grab onto the earmuff cup with one hand, snap the bottom slot on first, then slide the adapter fully down to straddle the circular pivot. Then finally snap the top slot onto the wire by pressing firmly. That is how you install the Magna Lens magnetic earmuff adapters onto your Sordin Supreme earmuffs. Please reach out to us with any questions as we would be happy to help.